Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka GN Suzuki Shillong haka Southrik ujilio arhajar arpauar kala pelaj Paidbah ya katuk ar Shaka kata ke new Suzuki V SX 250cc adventure bike. Ya gani ke jingelang pelaj Paidbah la penlong ha polo parking lot Shillong ha ba EL hack MLA ka pentor kra ula long kumu kongsan bar ula pelaj Paidbah ya kita ki tuk. Ya gani ke program pelaj Paidbah lawan bani shimbenta da ke jingnya ya baik gekse Suzuki ha ka basan phongot kinongnya ar Shaka ki wan nadu maublei shadu polo parking lot.
I will also thank the officials of the Suzuki India for inviting me as a chief guest today, and also to all the riders. I've seen the riders here. They all are the brave hearts, of course, but my humble suggestion to all my brave hearts, but drive responsibly. Once upon a time I was also a rider. I used to drive a bullet bike. So I'm very happy to see all our riders, but our humble request, but why I told use the word humble request to be you drive very responsibly, as you know, always when we live humble, we always powerful. When we live simple, we always beautiful. So these are the two steps and words which I like to share with all of you, and also thanks the MC for allowing me to say a few words on these occasions. And I really enjoy when I was sitting there listening to the very soothing music. And well, two of my favorite songs were sang. Welcome to Hotel California. But when you sing there, next time when you sing in Meghalaya, use this word. Welcome to Meghalaya. Such a lovely place, and welcome to Meghalaya. At the song when we say, welcome to Hotel California, welcome to Meghalaya, such a beautiful place. And such a lovely place, And also the song which sang the Sultan of Swing. Also, so it's one of my favorite things. Really, I was relaxing after I came from all the hectic program. The whole day when I was sitting there, I was getting really relaxing. But the time is, because of the paucity of time, I'll not be able to continue with you. But I take this opportunity to join with all of you, and also to take this opportunity to today, the 4th June 2020, for launching this Suzuki motorcycle V Strong, and always remain strong. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
SX